Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Snapchat filters for Android. So to do that, let's head over to a Snapchat application first. And once you are there, just head over to the Bitmoji on the top left corner. And in here, you can just head over to My Story, or directly you can just use your filters in here. If you just go on to the left, you will find there in the bottom section there will be a lot of um, options like favorites, if you have saved any or um recently used filters or favorites, or for you are aesthetic ones, aesthetic filters, game filters, or new filters, or trending filters that are on trending on Snapchat. You can also use character tools, or for video, or masks, or emoji, Q&A, funny, food, pets, and best ever. So yeah, these are the Snapchat filters you can use. And if you want, rather than all these, if you want to search some filter, what you can do is just to head over to this camera section, and then just search for this, tap on the search icon on the middle bottom, and here you can search for any type of filter you want according to your face, world, music, or creators. So yeah, this is how you can just use your Snapchat filter. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.